Did you know that pandas can sneeze to communicate? This charming behavior is not just for show, it's a vital part of how they interact with each other. When a panda sneezes, it can signal everything from a warning to a playful invitation. Imagine a group of these cuddly bears lounging in the sun, and then suddenly one lets out a big sneeze. The others might jump, playfully react, or even investigate. This quirky communication method highlights the playful and social nature of these magnificent creatures. So, next time you see a panda, remember, a sneeze could mean anything from "I'm here" to "let's play." Keep your ears open for those adorable